What is going on, everybody? It's so funny because I keep forgetting that it's GP shift, and then I forget that when I'm clutching I gotta go down. So like the third or fourth time that I've ridden GP shift so far, so I still gotta retrain my brain. All right, everybody, so we're gonna get some gas real quick. We're gonna fill up. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. It's afternoon now. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go congregate with some church members and some fellow brothers and sisters. We're gonna go congregate, listen to the word of the Lord on this beautiful Sabbath day. Beautiful, beautiful Sabbath day. I don't know why this guy is driving so fucking crazy. It's wild. I don't know what he's doing. Oh my god, dude. Let me see what he's doing, because I don't think he even knows what the fuck he's doing. Yeah, he doesn't know what the hell he's doing. Yes, sir. So, turn it down a little bit while I'm filling up. Dude in the truck doesn't know what the fuck. He doesn't know what he's doing, dude. He's just doing shit. Just driving all over the fucking place. I try to avoid people like that, dude, because those are the ones that are always fucking trying to crash. Like that is what crashes you. Dumb shit. I do have plenty of gas, but we're just gonna fill up. I'm going a little ways away, a little further than normal to meet up with some peoples. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill up. And the reason being is because I don't want to get over to the location and then have to actually fill up again. Oh, nice, 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 nice. And it's a beautiful day, like I said, man. Let's take a look at this bike real quick. Yeah, hey. It's looking good, man. Them Brimbos. Yeah, it's looking good. Car coming. Make sure they ain't gonna hit me. They black tar matted this one. This road used to be this access road used to be so bad. Yeah, but like I said, we're going over here to congregate with some brothers and sisters and for the Sabbath day. Shit sounded crispy today, bro. Yes, sir. One thing I do want to talk about, though, one thing that I do want to say is that absolutely I am so stoked because I woke up this morning and what was that? I don't know what the hell that was. I do want to be careful though, because the other day I was kind of following and there was a mattress in the middle of the road. Definitely want to kind of be a little careful. I woke up this morning, guys, and holy crap, I was so elated, man. I was just like, not only because it's a Sabbath day and you know I get to hear the word, and just like it's refreshing when you go throughout the whole week dealing with the BS, man. The Sabbath day comes and you just get to listen to God, man, listen to the Word of God, and congregate, man. It just makes everything feel much better. We hit 400 subscribers / supporters on the YouTube, and we're almost at 1,000. I think we're about at like 980. About like 980 on the Instagram. So it was really, really cool to see that. And I don't know, man, it's so amazing because being stuck at it seemed like we were at sub 100 for so long. We were stuck at like 100 for so long, and then it was like 150 forever. And you know, we just kept on plugging through, man. And you know, like I said, I think excuse me, I'm trying to set a precedent for 2025 for all content creators in the motovlogs sphere. And that is, we're going to be posting every single day. We're going to try our best to post every single day, right? On both platforms, YouTube and Instagram. What was that? What is he doing? We're going to try to do that, and I think we can do it. I believe we can do it. I've got a system set in place. It's going to happen for sure, Lord willing. You know, Lord willing, it'll happen for sure. But man, just so happy that you know, YouTube is starting to really like push the channel and the feed, and I definitely have a firm belief that the reason why they're doing it is because of the various different types of content that I'm releasing. Both my channels actually, but mainly the motovlog channels, which I'm trying to launch, and you know, just putting out good content, man, and different types of various content. You know what I mean? When I first started this, I was just like, there's no way, dude, that I can find a photographer or somebody who does rollers that can just shoot endless reels. You know what I mean, of me on the bike. I was like, it just seems impossible, like, because that's what everybody's doing. It's like everybody's doing that. So it's like I couldn't do that. I was just like, what do I gotta do? And I was like, oh, maybe I just gotta copy everybody else, and you know, ultimately I just decided, I'm just gonna do me. I'm just gonna do what I want. It was a little discouraging, and it has been a little discouraging, you know, up till now a little bit, simply because it's like I said, one of the bigger YouTubers that are in the motovlog scene, he's a vet, Chase on two wheels. You know, he made a video not too long ago, the other day, and talking about basically, you know, the basic squid YouTuber with a pista helmet, MBT gear, you know, pants, and you know, whatever. You know, they get so much traffic and so many views, and it's not really conducive to like what the community is kind of really about, how the community is kind of taking on new persona, if you will. And I kind of feel like that, you know, so I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to give like some meaningful content, helpful content. Shit, hold on. Meaningful content, trying to get some meaningful content, you know what I mean, just be different, man, because I feel like the space is extremely saturated with the same type of content, and to me it's just boring, you know, to me it's just boring, and I want to change that. Okay, we're gonna go 151, cool. So try and change that, and we're gonna change that. But like I said, I'm putting every motovlogger on blast this year, man. We're doing it big. We're gonna do it big, and we're just gonna see what happens. You know, we're just gonna see what happens. What is that? Today. Interesting. I'm actually surprised there's this much congestion. I don't want to be in this right here. I definitely do not. No, sir. See this shit? It's crazy. It's crazy. Like this.